Well, I gotta show you guys this and admit to my stupidity. I was doing a little chainsaw work yesterday on this clearing job. And this is my little MS-250 steel. This saw is, golly, 12, 13 years old, something like that. I think I got it in 2005 when I was in high school. My mom bought it for me. So it's been an awesome saw, you know, amazingly good saw. And I haven't run it hard all those years, but the fact that it's lasted all those years and still runs great, it's great. But anyway, that was my diesel barrel was warming up in the sun. Oh, Lord have mercy, I thought I got shot. Anyway, so I was sawing yesterday, and I got the tip of the saw pinched and could not get it out. Was wrestling around with it, couldn't get it out. Finally used the excavator and, you know, took a little pressure off the log to get it out, but something in doing that, I bent the tip of my bar and I managed to flare it. I've never seen that happen before. It's really, you know, you really gotta mess up to bend a bar like that. And the thing is, it's packed full of sawdust. Was part of it. It's like, I don't know how I messed up that bad. I didn't think I got that violent with it. I don't know if something about the way the log jumped when it pinched or what it is that did it, but I just wanted to show you guys that just as a, I guess, an example of a sort of catastrophic failure, because there's no coming back from that. You know, you can get your bars hot and take the temper out of them, and of course you can see I've done that a little bit there. And that's not really good for them either, but you know, you'll get them to where they'll flare a little bit along the top track if they get too hot. And sometimes you can, you know, you could bend that back if you're worried about it, or if it gets a little bent in, you can grind it and dress it, stuff like that, but there ain't no coming back from that one. So just want to show that to you as an example of something real stupid that I did. I like to show you guys when I mess up, but got me a nice shiny new bar here. And the interesting thing is, the guy at the steel sales place, I told him it was a 16-inch bar, and he said, oh, that's he said that saw came standard with an 18, which I didn't think so. I thought it's always had a 16 on it, but whatever. Take his word for it. So look at that. Nice, pretty, new steel 16-inch bar. All the settings right there are all right. 62 drive links, 325. Yeah. Oh, nice roller, but you know, right here at the end, rolls real smooth. Oh, that's pretty. Anyway, I'm gonna get this thrown on there. This isn't hard. I'm sure if you guys own a chainsaw, you know how to put your bar on, so I'm not even gonna show you, but mostly I just want to show you that flared tip, show you how messed up that was. I've never seen that before, but that sucker's scrap metal.